Just a few days ago, the president-elect of the United States of America, Donald Trump, launched his meme coin called the official Trump coin. And interestingly, yesterday being Sunday, his wife, Melania Trump, launched her own official meme coin as well. And it's called the official Melania meme. Now, checking this tweet, you discover that this is the Melania Trump's Twitter handle, where she made a tweet about the launch of her coin with the contract address given here. Now, the launch of this coin has been a story that has been hovering around the internet since yesterday night, and it has been doing very, very, very well. And a lot of persons, a lot of investors have trooped in, and the coin has been doing well so far. This coin, I was trying to check through to know what surrounds this coin, whether it is still the same stories which some persons told about the Trump's coin. But I discovered that this happens to be legit in the sense that when I went to the president-elect's Twitter handle, I discovered that this is his Twitter handle, he made a retweet of the Melania Trump's meme coin, okay, showing that the Donald Trump's family is really behind these projects, both the Trump meme coin and the Melania meme coin. As you can see on the screen, this is the Trump coin, the tweet he made January 17th, and this is the tweet he reposted, okay, about his wife's meme coin. And when you go to the coin market app, I discovered that this coin has already been listed in the coin market app. As at yesterday, it has not been listed, but this morning we discovered that it has been listed and it has been doing well so far, having the market cap of 1.9 billion, almost 2 billion, and it has an FDV of 11.76 billion with a maximum supply of 1 billion and total supply in circulation is 162.21 million. Now, the interesting part of this is that it is ranking amongst over 10,000 listed cryptocurrencies in the coin market cap. The Melania coin in less than 24 hours has ranked number 64, just as you can see it on the screen. It has ranked number 64, and that is a very good news, okay? And here, in the side here, you can get the contract address in case if you want to invest, okay? Please note that this video is just for educational purpose. It's not a financial advice. But if you want to take the risk, you can get the contract address. I'll drop it in the description of this video so that if you want to invest in it, you use the contract address to buy it, or you can go to the exchanges, the centralized exchanges that have listed it. Okay, now it has its all-time low as at what we have here as 6.62, that is this one, and the all-time high to be $13.73. But actually, this record is as at when they captured the information, when the coin market cap captured the information. I know that I was watching this coin when it was still $3.6 thereabouts. So that is it. Then if I click on the market section, we'll go through and see the different centralized exchanges and also the decentralized exchanges where this crypto is already trading. Okay, if I click on the SEX, you see that we have over 30 centralized exchanges that have listed this. Now, currently, we have about, let's say, 37, as you can see it on the screen. 37 centralized exchanges have listed this token. This is a very massive growth. It's a very, very massive growth. In case you don't want to make use of the decentralized exchange, you can go to your centralized exchange and buy it. It's listed in MEXC, in HTX, KuCoin, BitGet, Gates.io, Bitmart, L-Bank, whichever one that you have, whichever centralized exchange you have, you can use it by Economy, CoinX, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if you want to invest, you feel free to hop in. Although the price is a bit high, it has a little retracement already because it has gone as high as 13.73 dollars. Now, one interesting thing about this coin is I was searching through the Binance Futures Twitter handle and I discovered that they made a tweet at the early hours of today saying that it's going to be listed in the futures of Binance. That is at the perpetual contract. It says here Binance Futures will launch the USDM Melania perpetual contract at January 20, that is today, at around 9:30 UTC, that is 10:30 a.m. Nigerian time. Okay, so this is a very, of course, you should know that any coin that is coming into the Binance is one of is a top tier one exchange in the whole crypto industry. And any coin that will list on this exchange, there is a great tendency, a very great tendency that that coin will do very, very well. And of course, you know that what pumps a coin is the listing. Apart from the community hype, the listing of that coin has a very, very great influence on the price of the coin. So this is a very promising message that this coin will still go higher. Now, this is just for the perpetual contract, that is for the futures trading, after which I know they are going to list it for the spot trading. And also, the Bybit has also made a tweet in respect of that. The Bybit already, they said that they will be listing it on the perpetual contract. Okay, it's live already. Okay, so you can trade the futures on your on your Bybit exchange. So this is a good news for and a good development for the Melania Meme token. Okay, for those who are interested in futures, you can trade it on Bybit or Binance or even BitGet. BitGet has it listed in its futures. All right. Now, there are lots of controversies that are hovering around the launch of this coin. A lot of people have come online and they have made series of comments as regarding this. Now, some person says, now in less than 24 hours or in less than 48 hours, Donald Trump launched his coin called the Trump coin, and his wife also launched her own coin. Now, people came up with the idea or with a kind of suggestion that they would not have that Donald Trump wouldn't have allowed uh, his wife to launch his own coin, to launch her own coin, because it will cause a great influence and price to his own coin. That is, the launch of the Melania token will affect the Trump token as regards the price and value as well. Now, a lot of celebrities have made comments regarding this, like what we have here, the Balajis, he said, alternatively, they launched a second Melania meme right in the middle of the first one, thereby sucking attention from both. Yes, he actually made a point here because if you take a look at this chart, when the Melania token was launched, or when the Melania coin was launched, it's really affected. It has a very great a negative price impact on the Trump coin. And as you can see, a coin that dropped from $72 down to $43. Although there has been a little rise, I think currently it's trading around $50. So a lot of celebrities, they are against the launch of this coin. Reason being that since Trump coin is already there, the masses should give support to the Trump coin instead of having a divided support, whereby the price of the Trump coin will now be affected because people will now be moving their funds from the Trump token to the Melania token, and it will not go well for the Trump coin, according to them. He said here, I was like, okay, I wouldn't have done this meme coin, but how could they make the best of this and mitigate the crash. And then they launched a second meme coin, crashing the value themselves. So what he's trying to say here now is definitely there is no way they can mitigate the crash, according to what he's saying here. Mitigating the crash, he means, is maybe controlling the price. That definitely both coins will be affected price wise. Okay. Now, another person here, Ryan Silkis, he said, "Dear real Donald Trump," he's sending a message to the president elect, and he said, "Please fire whoever recommended going forward with the Melania launch today." That means he's writing to Donald Trump to fire whoever that is behind the launch of that coin, probably the developers of that coin, and who gave that financial advice to their team. Now, these are his reasons. He said, they don't know what they are doing. Secondly, they cost you a lot of money and goodwill. Then, thirdly, they don't have your interest in mind. Now, this is solely his own uh, opinion or his own suggestion as maybe an investor or maybe as a legal advisor. I don't know. Okay, so this is just what he has to say as regards to this, and very many other persons who have um, made a lot of comments against the launch of the Melania token. Then we move over to the BSC news. Let's see what they have to say about this. Now it says the Melania Trump's official, what we know, that is, they are trying to tell us what they discover about this coin. It says that the launch saw a brief 50% dip in the value of Trump's recently launched Trump token. Yes, just the same thing with what Ryan Silkis said, that the launch of the Melania token definitely affected the price of the Trump token. That is the same message that they are passing here. Then it says Melania is built on the Solana blockchain. Yes, we know that it's built on Solana blockchain, and even the Trump token is as well built on the Solana chain. It's a fungible crypto asset that aims to gain traction through memes and engagement, but not intended as a serious investment. Now, in a coin like this, if you're investing in this coin, one, you have to note that this coin is a meme token, and meme tokens are very, very volatile. Although we may experience another phase because of the influence of the president elect, Donald Trump, who is seen as the number one citizen in the whole world. So his influence may affect the markets, thereby giving us another phase. But generally speaking, meme tokens are very, very volatile. So if you are trading meme tokens, please, you make sure that you invest what you can afford to lose. And I always say, I dropped it in my last video, do not FOMO. It is very, very important. Do not FOMO. That is fear of missing out. Crypto is supposed to be bought or purchased when it is still at the low price. Okay, because when you FOMO into a project, other people who bought early, they are going to use you as their exit liquidity. Now we proceed. It says that according to the site, 35% of the tokens were allocated to the team, 20% of the treasury and 20% to the treasury and community, then 15% to the public, and 10% for liquidity. Now, these are the token allocation according to what the information that the Melania website gave them or gave us. But unfortunately, there are some uh, there is a problem which they discovered. It says, however, according to the blockchain analytic platform, the Bubble Maps, nearly 90% of the Melania's supply is controlled by a single wallet, which contradicts the claimed distribution plan. Now you can imagine, out of 1 billion supply, from the research that the BSC News made, they say that 90% of the total supply of the token is in one wallet. If this is true, then it is very, very dangerous because anything can happen at any time. Now, if that wallet decides to dump just 20 or 30% of what he has in its wallet definitely is going to affect the general market. Not to talk of dumping all of them. That is all the 90% is going to affect the market, and the market, it will rug pull. Yes, that is just the summary. The Melania token will be rug pulled. That is, it will go to almost zero, if not zero. Okay. Now, this is what the BSC said, and from their research, they said it is the bubble maps that made this analysis. Now, let us go to the bubble maps page and see what they have to say there. They said, update. The original 89% address has been split into 4 main wallets. Now, the original address, from what they said now, they have split it into 4 wallets. And each of these wallets have their proportions of the number of tokens that has been given to, or that have been deposited in those wallets. Now, it says the first one is 30%, the second one is 30%, the third one is 20%, and also 6%, as it has been allocated for the 4 wallets. Now, if this is true, like I said earlier, there is a problem. Okay, there is a serious problem. That is why if you are trading any meme coin, not just this Melania token or this Melania coin, if you are trading any meme coin, please, you trade with caution. Do not just jump into it. Make sure you trade with caution. So if you want to buy this token, this is how you are going to buy it. I'll be making use of my CoinEx account. If you do not have a CoinEx account, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Just click on the link and register for CoinEx, verify your account, then you buy. That is if you want to buy. So once you do that, you make sure that already in your wallet that you have some USDT, which you want to use to swap for the Melania token. So on the app, once you open it, you click on the asset button, which is this. Then to see your USDT, to make sure that your USDT is in your wallet, then you just hit on the spot button, okay, the one at the center. Then you click here to select the crypto that you want to buy. Then, making use of your search bar, you type the name of the coin that you want to buy, which is Melania. Now, this is it. So you just tap on it to select it. This is it. You tap on it to select it. Then here, you click here to leave it at, to select the market option. You click on market. Then here, you input the amount of USDT that you want. If it is 10 USDT, you click. If it is 20, you put. If it is 50, just any number of USDT you want to use to buy this. Then if you want to make use of all your USDT, you just have to drag this button from here to here by dragging it this way. Okay, once you drag it this way, you click on the buy Melania coin. And once you click on the buy button, the trade will go successful. And to see what you have bought, you click on the asset button. Now, once you click on the asset button, it will be displayed in the list of the coins that you have in your wallet. Okay, now remember that this coin is very, very volatile. So you just have to be monitoring it to know when it has gone higher above what you bought, so that you can as well sell to take your profit. So it is still the same way that you sell, but in this case, this buy button, you are not going to select it. This is the one you are going to select, the sell button. That's if you want to sell it, you click on the sell button. Then you make sure that it is in the market section. Okay. Then you input the amounts of USDT what that you want to sell. If you want to sell all of them, you can just drag this arrow from here to here. Okay, by doing it this way. Once you do that, you hit on the sell Melania button, and once you sell it, the Melania token will be swapped to USDT, and that is all. You have sold it. So you can now sell your USDT and take out your profit. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time or visiting this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that once I drop videos in this channel, you get notified. Please feel free to share this video, like this video, drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much once again. I hope to see you in my next video.